So in this clip we will discuss different type of plant hormones. There are three hormones: auxins, gibberellins and ethene gas. So auxins are basically plant hormones which control the growth of the plants near the tip of shoots and roots. These hormones, they control the growth in response to light and also in response to gravity. The process when they control the growth in response to light is called phototropism, and the one which is in response to gravity is called geotropism. So how the auxins, they control the growth of the shoots and the roots? So this is by the cell elongation. So cell elongation means they elongate the cells of the plant and as a result increase the length of the shoots and the roots. So usually they are accumulated on the shaded side of the tip. For example, if the sunlight is coming from that side, so they will accumulate on the other side, which is the shaded side. So the cells on the shaded side, they will elongate and that side will grow more, and as a result when this side will grow more, so the tip will bend towards the sunlight, and that process is called positive phototropism, because the tip has bended towards the sunlight and opposite to the direction of the gravity. So this is called negative geotropism. So auxins, they are used for many commercial uses, for killing weeds, for the growth of cutting by using the auxins powder, and for growing cells in the tissue culture. So normally the weeds are of broad leaves, means the leaves of the weeds are of a bigger size than the normal grasses and the normal plants. So the medicines are the herbicides are made of auxins, so which can disrupt the broad leaved weeds in contrast to grasses and the other useful plants. And they basically disrupt their growth pattern, and as a result the weeds are gonna die, and so this way they are used to kill the weeds. Second, because they stimulate the growth of the cells. So they are also used to grow the cells or to grow the plants from the cuttings. So normally if just anyone take a cutting from the shoot of a plant, so it will not grow into a new plant. But if you apply auxin powder on the cutting, so then that cutting can grow into a new plant. And also if the auxin hormone is added to a tissue culture, that can also stimulate the growth of the cells. So overall they are involved in killing weeds, in stimulating growth from the cuttings, in stimulating growth of cells in tissue culture. The second group of plant hormones is called gibberellin. That hormone group basically stimulate the stem growth, Along with that, it also is involved in the process of flowering and fruit formation. So there is a one condition which is called dormancy. So dormancy is basically a time, is a period during which the seeds will not germinate because they are not going to have the right conditions. So, but if the seeds are treated with gibberellin hormone, that can change the dormancy period, and the seeds will germinate in different time of the year when normally they will not germinate, because they can control the dormancy period of the seeds. The second function of the gibberellin is to induce the process of flowering. The flowering process basically needs certain conditions. For example, longer periods of sunlight means longer days or low temperatures. But the plants, they can be treated with gibberellin, and as a result that will change the conditions, and the plant will produce flowers in a different season, in a different time of the year, and it will also produce bigger flowers. This group of hormone can also be used to produce larger fruits. They are also involved in the process of fruit formation. So normally the seedless varieties of fruit, like you can see inside in grapes, seedless grapes, they are smaller in size than the seeded fruits. But if this group of hormone gibberellins are sprayed on the fruit, so the fruits are gonna be of larger size even than to the normal type of fruits. The third group is a gas of plant hormone, is a gas which is called ethene gas. Ethene gas is produced by the aging parts of a plant, means the old parts of the plant, and it stimulates and influences the growth of the plant by controlling the process of cell division. It also stimulates the ripening process of the fruits by stimulating the enzymes which control this process. So in commercially it is used to speed up or even to stop the process of ripening. So means when the fruits are picked, if they are still not ready for the supermarket, so they can be packed, and on the way ethene gas can be added, and the fruits are going to be ready when they reaches the supermarket shelves. So the ripening process can also be delayed. How? By removing the ethene gas, because ethene gas is involved in the process of ripening. So if you remove ethene gas, so that will delay the process of ripening. So it means that gas also help in the storage process of the fruits. So this is all for the plant hormones topic. We'll see you in a new and a different video clip. Thank you. Bye.